one of the most important artifacts in 400 years and was not destroyed in a war or fire. On the first page of the book is written, the Barrio of Bulacan, Baguio Bulacan, Camino Real, Dan Estacion, Matungaw, Kupang, Banban, Dapdap, Parian, Balubad, Pitpitan, May Santor, Aksaho, Paniki, San Nicolas, Nagdasig, Kalungusan, Taliktik, and Santa Ana. After 400 years, many changes happened in the Bulacan in the barrio. The Baguio became part of the Bagumbayan in 1731, and Tibig existed in 1735. Dapdap has become Santa Ana in 1741. The Nagdasig became part of Tabang in 1744, and now San Francisco. The Parian became Santa Ines in 1765. Bulacan, Camino Real, Daan Estacion, Paniki, and Kalungusan made a barrio and named San Jose. Barrio took Pikpitan, the Aksaho, the Kupang is included in the village Maysant and became Maysantol. The Banban has become Bambang. Perez existed a separate barrio of Taliktik and it became Taliptip. The name barrio ng San Nicolas still remained, Balubad at Matungaw. When it comes to architecture, the parish church in Bulacan, Bulacan, is one of the elegantly decorated churches in the province. The first building was constructed in 1878. During the British occupation in 1762, it was burned down but was later rebuilt again. It suffered during the earthquakes of 1863 and 1880. In 1884, the parish priest transformed the old classic style into Neo-Byzantine. The blending of Muslim, Baroque, and pre-Mannerist styles is quite remarkable. Attention is focused on the massive arcs encircling the portal and the small rose window, while above it, there are 3 statue niches that can be found. Naging makasaysayan at isa sa pinakaunang simbahan sa buong lalawigan ng Bulacan na naitayo pa noong 16 na taon. Nuestra de la Señora Parish Church in the town of Bulacan, former capital of the province of Bulacan and former official residence of its alcalde mayor, was built in 16th century and restored in 1877. It is one of the Augustinian churches in the Philippines and now is considered as the second oldest church in Bulacan.